welcome back to my channel. I hope all is well. Today I'm going to be making Fada Khichdi. This is a comfort food most commonly eaten all over India. It's very delicious, protein packed, healthy and nutritious. So let's get started making Fada Khichdi. Let's get into the ingredients. 1/4 cup moong dal, a half a cup of cracked wheat, 1 cup mixed vegetables, 1 diced tomato, few curry leaves, 2 dried chilies, 1 tablespoon garlic paste, 1 tablespoon ginger paste. Firstly, add cracked wheat, moong dal into a bowl. These need to soak in some water to help with the cooking process. On medium heat, add 1 tablespoon ghee, cumin seeds, hing, dried chilies, mustard seeds, curry leaves. Saute for 5 to 10 minutes. Garlic paste, ginger paste, once drained, add the cracked wheat moong dal mixture. Add Kashmiri Red Chili Powder, Turmeric Powder, Garam Masala, salt to taste. Saute for 5 to 10 minutes. Add in the mixed vegetables, diced tomatoes, move the mixture into the pressure cooker. Add 3 cups of water. Listen for 3 whistles or about 15 to 20 minutes. Lastly, add in the cilantro. Look at this fantastic Fada Khichdi. I hope you enjoyed this video. This is an easy dish packed with flavor and can be made under 30 minutes. Give this a try and let me know in the comments below or tag me on Instagram. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel to give your support. And I will see you guys on my next video.